Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java the right way. Begin by understanding the fundamental building blocks. Focus on core concepts such as variables, data types, and operators. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to coding simple exercises. This consistent practice will solidify your understanding and build a strong foundation for more complex topics. Once you have the basics down, dive deeper into essential Java concepts. Master control flow statements like if else and for loops, which are crucial for program logic. Understand how to use collections such as array lists and hash maps to efficiently store and manipulate data. Also, learn exception handling to create resilient applications that gracefully manage errors. The best way to solidify your learning is through practical application. Start building small, functional projects, perhaps a simple calculator or a to-do list application. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain valuable collaborative experience. Regularly, debug your code. This skill is invaluable for identifying and fixing issues, leading to a deeper understanding of how your programs work. Learning Java is a continuous journey. Stay updated with the latest features and best practices by reading official documentation and reputable blogs. Explore advanced topics like multithreading and concurrency to enhance your skills. Actively engage with the Java community online and in person. Sharing knowledge and asking questions will accelerate your growth and provide invaluable support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.